Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're powering on and moving fast. Plug the charger in and hold power for 2 to 3 seconds until the keyboard lights. Once the login screen appears, connect to Wi-Fi, select your network and type the password so updates can download. Next, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create it now so settings, apps, and files sync. After this initial sign-in, make sure your Chromebook checks for updates before you continue to install apps and customize preferences. Once signed in, open Settings and configure basics. Display, touchpad sensitivity, and keyboard shortcuts to match how you work. Then enable the Play Store if you need Android apps. Install Drive, Docs, and any communication tools so you can create and collaborate. Make sure to move important files into Google Drive for cloud backup. Use the Files app to manage downloads and plug in a USB drive if you need offline copies. As you configure, test an app, and a file transfer, you're near the finish. Add additional users or enable guest mode if others will use the device, and set screen lock timing to secure your sessions. Make sure automatic updates are enabled and verify that Google Drive is backing up your important folders so nothing is lost. If the Chromebook runs into persistent slowness or strange errors, perform a power wash reset. This wipes local data but resolves many software problems. Remember to back up first. After the reset, sign in and restore your settings from the cloud.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.